Welcome to HomePantry Pro. Today we are taking a look at a versatile piece of kitchen hardware that solves the age-old problem of limited cooking space. If you are living in a dorm, working from an office, or looking for an extra burner during the busy holiday season, this dual-burner electric cooktop might just be your new best friend. Let us start with the performance. This unit packs a total of 2200 watts of power, split between two independent 1100 watt burners. That is quite impressive for a portable setup. Having two separate heating zones means you can boil water on one side while you simmer a sauce on the other. Because each burner has its own physical control knob, you get real tactile feedback. You are not fumbling with touch-sensitive buttons that stop working if your fingers are damp or greasy. It is old-school reliability paired with modern efficiency. One of the standout features here is universal cookware compatibility. Unlike induction cooktops that require specific magnetic materials, this infrared burner system works with aluminum, stainless steel, ceramic, and glass. If it is flat-bottomed, it will cook. That is a massive benefit if you do not want to replace your entire collection of pots and pans just to accommodate a new appliance. Now, let us talk about the design. It is compact and lightweight, making it incredibly portable. Whether you need it for an RV, a camping trip, or just to clear up some space on your main kitchen island, it fits the bill. The ceramic surface is sleek and much easier to clean than traditional coil burners where food gets trapped underneath the metal rings. As for the safety side of things, it includes built-in overheat protection. This gives you peace of mind, especially in smaller living quarters where fire safety is paramount. The even heat distribution also means you are less likely to deal with those annoying hot spots that lead to burned food. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Because this is a high-powered appliance, you need to ensure your electrical setup can handle it. It runs on a standard 110 to 120 volt power supply, but like any heating device, you should plug it directly into a wall outlet rather than using an extension cord to maintain consistent performance. Also, while it is great for most cooking tasks, keep in mind that ceramic surfaces stay hot for a little while after you turn them off, so keep an eye on them until they cool down completely. In conclusion, this dual-burner cooktop is a fantastic investment for anyone who needs flexible, high-performance cooking power without a permanent installation. It is durable, easy to use, and compatible with almost any cookware you already own. If you are looking for a reliable cooking solution for your home, office, or travels, this unit is a solid contender that delivers exactly what it promises. Link in the description.